welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Ruffa and I love making DIY fashion videos. So make sure to smash that subscribe button and click the notification bell for you to stay updated. For today's video guys, I'll be showing you another DIY idea on how to transform your old clothes into this cute ruffle armhole top, which you can wear into two ways. And this is a perfect outfit for this upcoming spring and summer season. For sure, you're gonna love this one since it is an easy basic DIY tutorial. So I hope you'll enjoy this video, and without further ado, let's get started. First of all guys, remove the pocket by using a seam ripper and crop the shirt based on your preferred length. So mine is around my mid-waist, and to shape the sleeves and neckline, as usual, I use one of my sleeveless top as my pattern, which has the ideal fit for this project because it is more convenient guys. Then I go ahead marking and cutting it out. So as you can see, I shape one side first and I use the cutout sleeve as a pattern to the other side to make sure they're both symmetrical, and I'll be doing the same thing on the neckline. I then make sure to fit the top to see how it fits me well guys. So the armhole was kinda off, loose if you know what I mean, so I need to downsize the width of the bodice. So I marked 3 centimeters from the side seams, then top stitch it before trimming the remaining fabric. Also make sure that you're doing this one on the right side of the fabric. So this is the time that I'm gonna cut the remaining fabric, leaving a 0.5 centimeter seam allowance because we will be doing a French seams wherein we will top stitch the side seams one more time on the wrong side of the fabric. Now that I turned the inside out of the fabric, press the side seam with iron, then top stitch it 3/4 centimeter away from the seam. Tada! We have a clean finished side seams guys. This process is very helpful if you don't have a serger on your sewing machine just like me. That's why I really love using this process. Then I will go ahead double folding the bottom seam, then pin and hem. Now let's make the ruffles for the sleeves guys. So here I already cut and shaped 10 by 45 centimeters from the remaining fabric of the sleeves. Basically, we're gonna double fold the raw edges on these following sides. And the remaining side we will gather it to create a ruffle. So I tried to attach it first on the one side of the armhole and see how it looks like, but for me it was too much and it feels awkward. So yeah, I just decided to trim 4 centimeters from the width. Afterwards, I fixed the other one before attaching it. I'll be showing to you now guys how to attach the ruffle to the armhole. So mark the placement of the ruffle from the armhole and make sure to attach each fabric facing the right sides, then pin and hem. To complete the process, guys, we need to get rid of the raw edge. So I made a bias tape which is in a width of 3 centimeters, and the length depends on the measurement of your armhole. I then folded both sides in between and folded it again into half. Next, I'm gonna sandwich it all over the raw edge and top stitch it. So this is how it looks like now, and to complete the placement of the ruffle, I'm gonna hem it again on this side. Then we're gonna do the same process on the neckline. We will use bias tape to have a clean finished seam. To finish the top, I added one button and buttonhole in this closing area. With the remaining fabric from the bottom part of the shirt, I use it to make a belt measuring 100 by 13 centimeters. I didn't show the process anymore since it's very basic. All you're gonna do is to fold it into half on the right side of the fabric, then hem the raw edges on a 1/4 inch, leaving one end of the belt unhemmed. Afterwards, turn it inside out, passing through the unhemmed seam, and make sure to fold the raw edges of it into a 1/4 inch. Press it with iron and top stitch all over the seam. And we're finally finished with the top. So here is the final transformation.
Shake it like you mean it, baby. Come on and dance with it. Come on. Shake it like you mean it, baby. Come on and dance with it.
Thank you so much for watching. Now it's your turn to try this out, and make sure to tag me on my Instagram account at DIY by Ruffa because I would love to see your work. Don't forget to like, subscribe, click the notification bell, share, and comment on this video. So see you in my next video, guys. Bye!
Oh my goodness, he's here again. I was trying to seam rip the pocket from the top, and then suddenly this little guy is trying to be famous. By the way, his name is Junior. He's so clingy. Say hi, Junior. Don't bite me. Say hi.